Welcome to the brand new 2023 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. The AT4 truck is powered by a 6.2-liter V8 engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the Sierra AT4, power windows, locks and mirrors, memory seating, push-button 4x4 system, automatic headlights, fog lights, leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls, full digital gauge cluster there as well, push-button ignition. We have a nice large 13-inch touchscreen using the Google operating system. Dual zone climate control with heated and ventilated seating, parking sensors, lane keep assist, your automatic shifter knob, and your integrated chiller braking system. The vehicle has the all black interior with the Bose audio and the heated ventilated seating with the Kalahari inserts and AT4 in the headrest. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the GMC Sierra AT4, we have the 18-inch wheel and tire package, beautiful alloy wheels with the Goodyear Wrangler Duratrac all-terrain tires, color match door handles with keyless entry, automatic stationary AT4 textured running boards, AT4 badging on the door, 6.2-liter V8 plaque on the front fender. The AT4 does come with the factory 2-inch lift up front, making room for the big wheel and tire packages. We have LED daytime running lamps, turn signals, and fog lights. AT4 branded black chrome grille with parking sensors, camera system, red recovery hooks as well. Making our way back down the side, rear tinted privacy windows. We do have blacked out window trim, remote start equipped for the Sierra. We do have dual chrome exhaust tips, trailer tilt pack, GM MultiPro tailgate, and LED brake lights. Jumping into the interior here, we have the leather 60/40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready with in-seat storage feature. Sliding rear window with defrost, extra headroom on top with LED lighting and a single pane sunroof. 3-stage heated seats, USB ports, tons and tons of room in the crew cab Sierra AT4. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walkdown video on the brand new 2023 GMC Sierra AT4. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.